Yale Real Living Push Button Lever Lock Programming. Delete user PIN code. For this example, we have set the master PIN code to 1234. Enter master PIN code 1234 followed by the pound key to enter the main menu. In menu mode, select 2 for user PIN code registration followed by the pound key. In this example, we will press 3 followed by the pound key to delete a user code. We are only deleting one user PIN code in this example, so we must enter the user location number 2 followed by the pound key for user 2. User 2's PIN code has been deleted.